Well, good morning from the base of Mount Cook. In fact, that's not Mount Cook. Mount Cook's hiding around the corner, but that'll do. Show you briefly around the campsite. Ralph's just waking up with a kettle on. And check this out. Oh, it's gone off, but believe me, it was 4 degrees, man. Oh, it's 3. Look at that, 3. Good morning, campers. Bit of a chilly night, just 3 degrees, but I was pretty good in here with Steve's incredible sleeping bag. First time I've ever used one of these really cold weather sleeping bags. I was just toasty warm. It was great.
75.
If that's possible.
I reckon that's 200.
Good as gold.
What have I got?
How many kiwis does it take to boil a glass of water?
About 50.
That's Mount Sefton, we think. This one now, in the centre of the frame, that's Mount Cook. No peace and quiet here, you can hear the helicopters. The place is full of tourists, but then again, so are we. Oops. There she is, Mount Cook. Apparently a bit fell off the top a few years ago, so she's a bit shorter than she used to be. 3,700 metres.
Do you? Listen to it. Look, 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 look. With your eye or the camera. Look at that avalanche.
God, we've got an avalanche. You can hear it. Wow.
Perfect.
Wow. We just got lucky. Ooh. You wouldn't want to be in the way of that, would you? We just witnessed an avalanche. It's still going on, isn't it? Look, it's an avalanche of snow.
It's still coming down the lower reaches that
yes.
You can't see.
Mount Cook in the centre. Wakefield. And then this one is Sefton, apparently. Go on the Suzuki. So it's quite a tall bike. You can feel that immediately. The suspensions are real nice and stiff. Got to have a go on the Suzuki, and what a wonderful motorbike. It's just stunning. Suspension, engine, the feel of it, the sound of it, the 80s styling of it, these square mirrors, and a lot of pull and a lot of power. Old school, but what a little beauty. The only thing I hate is the windscreen. It just buffets my my helmet. You know, the air comes off of it and then catches this thing, and it's miserable, so you have to stand up. Wonderful.